Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, y'all already know we've been playing some makeup. Now we're gonna do an everyday makeup look, y'all, especially for beginners. This is something you can wear to work, just when you want to go out, look cute, when you go shopping, anything of that nature, y'all, because I love a good makeup look and I haven't played in makeup in so long, so this is actually very exciting. Now I know y'all gonna see this earpiece, y'all. I'm actually on the phone with my friend, so please ignore that, y'all. We just having a little chit chat, a little catching up, y'all, and all of that jazz. Also, y'all, I know I said I will announce the giveaway winners in today's video, however, but I don't see that many people comment on it and I want to give everybody a chance to actually win, so it's gonna be extended until Thursday. So if you haven't already, go check out my first video of 2025 and make sure you watch it all the way through, y'all, so y'all can get the details on the giveaway. Now before we get into this video though, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1,500, y'all, and we are roughly 400 away if I'm not mistaken by this point. I just want to say thank you everyone for supporting me. Thank you for the people who are watching my videos, leaving a comment and liking them as well. But let's go ahead and get into this makeup look, y'all, because I'm very excited today to actually do it. Y'all already know, to start this video off, we are going to prime the face, and I actually have a new primer that I've been loving, and it is the Hydrating Primer, y'all. My friend actually put me onto this, y'all, and I love it. It comes with this little rolly thingy, and you just roll it across your skin when it's sun coming out. But yeah, like, this is all you do. And I'm actually enjoying that. Like, I love the mechanism behind it. I love the technique behind it. It's just so amazing to me. And then you just rub it in, y'all, and the skin looks so healthy and glowy with this, which is why I love this product, y'all, because honestly the skin looks good, and even though it's not a grip, y'all, it does what it needs to do to make sure the skin looks hydrated up under your makeup. Now we're gonna go in and fill in the brows, y'all. We're gonna be using Anastasia, I can't talk, Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, y'all. This is in the shade dark brown. Yeah, shade dark brown, and I love it, y'all. The tip is so fine, so where you can just like draw individual hairs, because I'm not gonna use any brow gel to like slick it up, y'all, since this is the everyday. I'm just gonna fill in the spots where my hair looks like it's missing, because I want to keep the brow natural for the most part. Yeah, I am very excited about my hair. I actually just watched it before this video and recorded like a quick little hair tutorial on TikTok and Instagram, y'all, so if you haven't followed me on there, go ahead. Well, y'all, TikTok is gonna get banned. Oh my gosh, how do y'all feel about that? Because I mean, granted, I'm very small on TikTok and I prefer Instagram, honestly. I just be on TikTok because that is the hype platform right now. But like, how do y'all honestly feel about it? Like, it's gonna be something for sure. And do y'all think they're gonna make another app to like replace it? Like, what are y'all thinking? Because I think they're probably gonna go to something called Clappers. I heard the app is kind of like TikTok, it's just not as updated and not as quick, if I'm not mistaken. They don't have good music on there, but I have heard about it, and I do have a small little profile on there. But y'all let me know what y'all think, because everybody's in shambles right now over that. Go in, y'all, and make sure that the eyebrows look good. I don't want to carve them out because I do want them to look quote-unquote natural in a sense and just filled in. So I'm gonna leave them how they are, but still go in with a little bit of hairs and little small little spots that I feel like I can touch up in a sense. But yeah, I don't want to do anything crazy, so I'm taking my finger just to go in and removing any excess product, just so they can look clean and slick without carving them out. And now, y'all, we are ready for foundation. Now for foundation, I love to go in with a hydrating one because of course you want it to look like everyday, like skin light. And my favorite one, y'all already know, it's been that girl, I'll be that girl, and that is the Haus Labs Triclone Foundation, y'all. I love this stuff. I have mine in the shade 500, what is an amazing shade for me, to say the least. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face, y'all, and I just love this shade. It has not messed me up yet. I really just love this foundation in general. Yeah, look, I love this foundation in general because the consistency, the coverage, like, it's just that good, like literally that good. Y'all saw I only used a little bit. In my opinion, that's a little bit, y'all, because I still want it to look skin-like and not do too much. So I didn't like try to go in heavily with a lot of product, just a little bit, just to like cover the face and make sure that we don't do too much. So next we're going to take concealer, and I have my Morphe Filter Effect concealer. This is in the shade Deep 34. Now y'all, I am actually out of this. I don't know if y'all can see the bottle, but like she is empty, and I just bought another one, but we're gonna like use her until she runs out, because yeah. But I always put it just like on the parts of my face that I want to emphasize. Don't forget the forehead, down the nose, and then the chin area. And if you love to put some down here, go ahead, because I don't want it to look like there's like any line of demarcation in a sense. So like this is genuinely my area for concealer. So we're gonna let this sit for a minute, y'all. We're gonna go in and we are going to contour. So I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place contour in the shade 3. Now this is a cooler tone contour, y'all, and the reason why I picked the cool tone because it's kind of close to my skin tone in a sense, where it's not too dark. Like I don't know if y'all can see it, like it's literally like just like a shade darker, because I don't want to go too like dark on the contour. So I hope y'all can see that. I don't know if it's pulling up camera, but like I can see it in person in a sense, so we'll just go with that. We're gonna take this brush. I'm taking my Real Techniques 424 brush, putting it on the mid setting if it stops there. This brush so old, y'all. I need a new one like ASAP. And I'm just gonna blend out this contour. Now y'all can see it right there, like it's very subtle, like so close to my skin tone and color, which is what I want, because I don't want to do a dark contour. I don't want it to look too sharp. Before we go in and do the nose, y'all, I'm gonna blend this out first. I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush, just blending out this concealer on the nose, so when I contour, it won't be in the way. Now we're gonna take my Real Techniques Expert concealer brush. Yes, this very fine, y'all, very little for the nose. I really love this brush for the nose, so we're just gonna take a little bit of product and just, yeah, just like that. And now we're just gonna do the rest of the face. So I'm gonna go up here on the forehead, just go ahead and blend all of this out. And the nose one more time, coming down here to the chin. The reason why I'm doing all of this before I go to the actual under eye, because I don't want any of this excess product to get in any of the places that I just done. So I want to make sure that I'm just like working my way backwards so I can leave all that product right here. This is the time I go back and touch up places that I need to, just to make sure everything looks blended and seamless and cohesive. And just touching up small random places. Really just go back and forth between these brushes to make sure everything is to my liking. I'm gonna set the face, y'all. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting mist. Yeah, that's what it's called. And just set the face. We're gonna let the face just soak it all in before we set it and everything. So I did not use a liquid blush because for everyday look, I don't want like a heavy blush. So I always put blush on just powder and no liquid, just so it won't look as strong in a sense. And while this is all setting, we're gonna go in and do a little bit on the eyes, y'all. So I have my Juvia's Place Coffee palette right here. Well, the coffee shop palette, sorry y'all. And this is the color selection, just all neutrals and everything, so it will look so good on the face. So we're gonna take a little small brush and take this shade right here, just to put it on the eye, y'all. But don't do too much, because I don't want to have like deep, I don't want a lot going on the eyes. I just want a little bit. So we're just playing around with it, just giving it a little bit of definition, but not a lot, y'all. Just gonna take a flat brush and we're gonna take this color right here and put it on the lid. All right, y'all, now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty setting powder. Y'all know I love this stuff. I'm never gonna stop using it, y'all, because it's just that good to me. I actually have this little mini puffer, y'all, from Morphe that I've used and I've actually liked it. So that's what we're gonna use today, and then go in and bake it under. I love this thing, y'all, because it literally gets everywhere without getting everywhere, if you get what I'm saying, unless you like just move it there, y'all. That's what I really do like about this little brush, because it's so cute. Hold on, the makeup is eating. If you like this to be a little bit matted, just don't use anything extra. Just take the excess and bring it along the bottom. Next, we're gonna go in with bronzer. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Thick Mint. Y'all know this is called their Sunstalker bronzer. My go-to bronzer. I'm always using this bronzer. Yeah, y'all already know. We're gonna take my brush and use it on the back. Make sure all the excess off, and we're just gonna go in circular motions. See how I bring like some warmth back without doing too much? That's the point. Because that cool mixed with this is like the right amount of bronzer. Meanwhile, if we would have went with the bronzer that I normally go with, for like a glam, a full glam, baby, we would have been dark and bronzed. And then we're gonna take this brush again, take off all the excess, and go down the sides of the nose. Now we're gonna go in and do some blush. Now, like I said, yeah, I'm only gonna use powder blush, and for the blush, I'm gonna be using this from Sephora Collection. This is their Klover blush in the shade 27, which is also called Charmed, y'all. It is a little bit of shimmer in here, which is what I love, to give that like glow within look without having to put any highlighter on, y'all. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Really, if the camera catches it real cute, like very like a toned down peachy coral-ish type deal, which is what I kind of want to go for. So we're gonna just take my brush, pat it in there, and this is what it looks like, y'all. Like very like corally. It just tap it on the skin, and y'all see how it does something, but not too much. That's the point. Like it's there, but like, yeah, y'all get what I'm saying, hopefully. And this time I'm actually gonna put like some on the forehead, y'all, just around, just to make sure everything is a little bit seamless and very blended. So yeah, like it's enough color without doing too much. Like we have something there, but it's not over the top. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the face because A, I'm extra. So of course I need more blush. I have a little bit of sheen trying to peek through, y'all. So we're gonna go in and do some extra setting because we don't need that. No, we don't need that. Not in this area. That never happened to me before, so maybe it's because I use a new, I don't know, y'all. So the base is basically done, y'all. Like we have some color, but not too much. Looks very everyday-ish compared to what I normally would do, but this is what we're looking like right now. We're gonna go in and finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna be using my Charlotte Tilbury Exagger Eye Mascara. It's really like a clumpy spoolie, if you get what I'm saying, but it's gonna elongate them. So we're just gonna go in, yeah. Like y'all, look at the difference with like the lashes on the top. I don't know if y'all can tell, but baby, in person, a major difference. Yeah, so lashes is on. I could not show you my bottom because I was looking crazy, but now we're gonna go in and use lip liner. This is from MAC in shade Chestnut. Y'all already know. So we're gonna go in and line the lips. Oh, I didn't tell y'all, I'm going in with my lipstick from Kiss. This is in the shade it should be HoneyGlaze. Yeah, HoneyGlaze. I'm going in with the light hair, y'all, because I don't want it to be too nudie. Like I want like a natural lip in a sense. Now, if you like this, you can stop, but I love me a good glossy lip, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild lip oil. This is in the orange blossom. And I'm gonna line my lips. And the doe is pink, y'all. So it's gonna show up pink. Like I don't even understand why. Like I can't answer that. This is the makeup look. It is so pretty, like very, very pretty. Like y'all know at the end you finish off with some setting spray. I would go in with my one side, but y'all, I'm gonna take this off, so it ain't no point in me like setting it. Like let's be for real, it's like 9 o'clock at night, 9:19 to be exact. I'm gonna take this off. So this is what the makeup look looks like, y'all. It is so cute with the hair. Yes, I love it. So all right, y'all, thank you all for watching this video. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you all think of this makeup look. So we love the eyebrows, we just love the skin in general. We look good without too much of a blush. Like y'all let me know what y'all think below in the comments. But before y'all leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, y'all, I do have a giveaway going on my first video of 2025. So if you want to join that giveaway, go check that video out because y'all have to watch it first, of course. And then yeah, once again, y'all, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all Thursday with a new video and to announce the winners of the giveaway. Bye.